Everyone, so now we are going to do one more method, because in the real scenario you will see the SVI, you will see router on a stick also. This will also going to work, but the most thing which we are using is SVI. In most of the company they are using the switch virtual interface. So that method we are going to learn. So what I will do, I will select like this, okay, and I will say Control C, and then I will paste Control V, then I will drag select, and then I will select that router, sorry, this one, and which one we created, and drag, let me paste again, and I will drag this one, okay, like this, because again I need to take the PC and do that one. So to save the time I am doing this way, okay. So this is the another one which we are going to do. So I will write here, this is the Intervlan by using SVI, and here we will not use router, so I will remove the router, and here you can say this is a switch to, okay. And what we will do here, we need to take the layer 3 switch, okay. So here I can take the layer 3 switch. Instead of this switch we can connect this switch, do the Intervlan also, okay. But anyhow I will do this way, because in the company you can see this way we will do Intervlan here. Or if you want to do here, you cannot do the Intervlan in the layer 2 switch, you need to remove the layer 2 and connect the layer 3. So here configuration, let me save this one first of all, router on a stick, this one is 11, I will save this, and I will copy this whole thing. We are going to take new notepad, I will paste here, and here we are saying Intervlan by using SVI, okay. This switch one configuration is same whatever we have here, just creating the VLAN and assigning this port, this remains same, okay, this remains same. Any color we can use, okay, this remains same. Here new configuration we will have here. So for that one, what I, instead of router we are using the, here we are not using router, so I will delete this, I will use here layer 3 switch. So I will say switch 1, or any name we can give, multi-layer switch or anything, anything we can give. And here I will write here M as MSW1, anything we can give. So now the configuration for this switch, same thing as we do, enable config T, host name SW2 or SW1, or if you want I will write multi-layer switch or anything, multi-layer switch, okay. Here also I am writing. Then here same thing we need to do, we need to create the VLAN, so I will create the same VLAN here also, okay. We created the VLAN here also. Then I need to do the configuration. What configuration? This one, this interface should be in the which because this interface F0 by 1 is connecting to F0 by 5, both are the switch, so we need to configure as a trunk. So how we will configure trunk? I will write here interface F0 by 1, okay, and then I will write switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1Q, okay. Then switch port mode trunk, okay. This one we need to do here. So let me paste this and check. I will write here no, and I will paste this here. So here I put some typing error here, so let me correct. VLAN is created, only this interface, so I will write here interface F0 by 1, then switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1Q, switch port mode trunk, okay. So these two commands. So let me copy this command and put in the notepad. This one and this one. Just we make as a trunk. And also what we need to do, enable the routing. If you want to enable the routing in the layer 3 switch, we need to write this one, IP routing. With this command, routing will enable here. So anywhere we can write here also, that one, IP routing. Okay, so routing is enabled and we configure this one as a trunk. So you should configure this one also as a trunk, F0/5. So this one already trunk, and we configure this one as a trunk. Now SVI means we need to go under that interface, that is VLAN 10 interface, and assign the IP. Which IP we should assign? The gateway IP of this computer. And then you need to go under the VLAN 20 and assign the IP. What IP? Whatever the gateway we assign to VLAN 20, that one. So here we will write like this, interface VLAN 10. So you will go under that one, then write here IP address and whatever IP we told as a gateway. This one we told, and if you see here, we assign that one only. So this IP we need to assign to that interface. So VLAN 10, then here we are going to write 192.168.10.100. Give space 255.255.255.0, and we will write here no shut. And then we will go do same thing for VLAN 20, IP address, and for VLAN 20 what is the gateway? That IP we need to write here 255.255.255.0, and we will write here no shut. Okay, and if you have VLAN 30, then you will go same thing. This you will write interface and whatever VLAN you have, go under that one and write the IP whatever gateway you want, and then write no shut. That's all. So when you put this one, they will start communication. They will start communicating. Here let me write ping -t. I will write here 192.168.20.1. It will get reply timeout. Okay, because two different VLAN cannot communicate. So now I am going to make the communication with this layer 3 switch. So I need to copy paste this in the layer 3 switch. So I will go here, I will paste this here in the layer 3. I will go in the global configuration mode and then we will paste that. Okay, here I am going to paste that. I pasted. If you see, this interface go up, this interface go up, and now you can check it is not working. It will start working after some time. So let's see, it is not working. Yeah, now it is working. So how it is working? This is a two different VLAN. If you see here, this is different VLAN PC, this is different VLAN PC, but they are working. We are pinging to 20.1. So this is a 20.1. We are pinging from 10.1. So this PC is communicating with this PC. Both are different VLAN. How it is communicating? The traffic is going like this, and then again it is coming back like this, then again going like this, then again going like this. Okay, so this one we are using in the company. In the company you will see this method, switch virtual interface we are calling. This one is known as switch virtual interface, SVI we are calling this one, SVI. So what we will do means, first you need to enable the routing. Here we will write IP routing. With this command we are going to enable the routing in the layer 3 switch. By default it will be disabled. So you need to write this one and make this interface as a trunk, as this one is connected to switch. Both are switch, so make this as a trunk, this as a trunk. Enable the routing by using the command IP routing. Then here whatever the VLAN, you have VLAN 10 and 20, so you need to create the interface. So you will write interface VLAN 10 and assign the IP here, whatever the IP. Put this one here, right? Subnet mask no shut. Same thing for VLAN 20, this IP you will put and write no shut. Whatever gateway we give, that one IP we are going to assign. That's all. If you see here configuration, what I wrote here, this one only, then it start working. So what we can say, two different VLAN, before it is not working, now it is start working. And here if you